Today I will be teaching you how to apply this trippy lens effect in Final Cut Pro. This is not usually found in Final Cut Pro, and this is a simple drag and drop preset to help out your workflow and your visual editing. Welcome back to the channel. This is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. If you are new here, this is a channel to help you out on your video editing journey. With that being said, this is our website, www.b3-studios.com. where you will find plenty of plugins, some free, some you have to pay for. But just go check out the site. It will definitely help you out on your video editing journey. Now let's get right into the video for today. So we have a video clip of Lil Uzi. I think this is this album promo video. Very cool effects, but we're going to spice this up a bit. This is going to be a quick video, by the way. These are all plugins that are available on our site, but we're going to use the trippy effect plugin today, which is not usually found in Final Cut Pro, the trippy lens effect. So we're going to drag this. It's just a simple drag and drop plugin. As you can see, it's already working, and I'm going to drag this on the second clip as well. And this plugin, the link will be in the description, so go check that out. You do have to pay for this plugin, but it's on sale for a week, and then the price will go to its original price. Go get that as soon as you can. You always want to invest in yourself to separate yourself from the rest of the video editors out there to make your video stand out. So keep that in mind as well. As I added the trippy effect, the trippy lens to the scene here, as you can see, it's got that trippy effect. And what we can do here to spice this up a bit, that was just me dragging it on the clip and not even messing with it. So let me make some adjustments. So for the center, I can put it over here if I want. Again, and man, see how that looks. You can do all types of things. I can add a keyframe right here and move it up a bit in the timeline and change it up more. So let's see how this looks. Pretty cool right there. And I can also, on this one, add keyframes as well. So as this goes on, I want to make the center come up a bit. So let's go up on a Y, or go down on a Y. And I'll turn the radius down a little bit right here. And now let's play this back. Really cool effect right there. I'm going to show you this on a different type of footage, just so you can get all the different variety of ways that you can use this plugin. Now here we have our next clip. This is drone footage of an eye view of traffic, and we're just going to simply drag our trippy lens onto the footage. And this is an amazing way to grab your viewers' attention as far as keeping them on your video and keeping them interested. So we're going to add keyframes to the beginning of this, and we're going to go a little bit in towards the timeline, and we're just going to drag this on the x-axis over here, and we're going to boost the radius up so it'll zoom in a little bit. And that should look pretty cool. So let's play this back. It's a dope look right there. Especially the traffic coming in. It's definitely nice. Let's expand this clip a bit more so you can see how cool this looks. This is a very powerful effect, especially in Final Cut Pro, that you can use to your advantage. That looks awesome. Yeah, that is the effects for today. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description. I showed you guys two clips that you can use this on, so just depending on your footage that you get, you can really do some amazing things with this plugin, and it'll definitely help you out in your workflow. So thank you guys again for tuning into the video. Go check out the website to see any plugins that you can find that will help you out. And like I said, we'll be coming out with more videos to help you out here in the future. So if you like this video, please subscribe and consider liking, commenting any type of video that you want, commenting any questions that you have for the channel. Just thanks for your support, and I will see you guys soon. All right, thank you. Bye.